I'll walk you through how to transfer your domain from GoDaddy to Hostinger. It's a straightforward process, so let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're logged in, go to the Domains section and select Transfer an existing domain. Enter your domain name in the Enter a Domain for Transfer box and click Transfer. You'll see a message that your domain is currently locked. Now head over to GoDaddy and go to Manage Domains. Scroll down to the Domain Lock section and turn it off. Confirm that you agree to unlock the domain and continue. This will disable the domain lock. Go back to Hostinger and click Check again to see if your domain is recognized as unlocked. If Hostinger doesn't recognize it right away, you might need to close and reopen the transfer request. Relog into Hostinger if needed, navigate back to Domains, and repeat the transfer process. Once the domain is recognized, proceed to click Purchase and choose the payment method. Complete the payment process. Then after payment, go to Billing. You'll find a notification asking for an authorization code. Click on your domain and then Set Up. You'll be prompted to enter an authorization code. To get this code, go back to GoDaddy, navigate to your domain's dashboard, and select Transfer to another register. Click Get Authorization Code and copy the code. Paste the authorization code into Hostinger, choose your DNS records, and click Transfer Domain. The transfer process will start. You'll see the status as transferring. The entire process usually takes 5 to 7 business days. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.